Factory sealed. It's the unspoken guarantee that the cards inside the box have never been touched. When a deck is factory sealed, in your spectator's mind, it's innocent, untampered with, until now. This is the Pro Deck Sealer. It allows you to reseal a deck of cards back to true factory condition, except you decide what's inside. You can prepare any deck exactly how you want. Memorize stacks, mark decks, gaps, match decks, anything you need to set up ahead of time. Set the deck the way you want it, seal it, and your magic starts miles ahead of your audience.
Every deck of cards comes wrapped exactly the same way. First, a tight layer of cellophane. We'll go ahead and crack that open.
She's upset.
Now,
Claire's borderline pissed.
now, when you open a new deck, there's a couple of extra things that belong. This one right here. For the first time, Claire, what was the card that you chose?
6 of clubs.
6 of clubs. Go ahead, turn it over and show everyone. The 6 of
The Pro Deck Sealer is compact, safe, and incredibly easy to use, and it comes with everything that you need to get started. You receive the Pro Deck Sealer, along with 20 cellophanes sized perfectly for standard playing cards. Each wrap features a clear tear strip so it matches the look and feel of the original factory cellophane. And when your spectator opens it, it tears exactly how they expect. The wraps are heat applied, not self-adhesive, so you get a clean, professional seal every time. This is the Pro Deck Sealer by the Magic Firm.